Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube friends. My name is Biswa and I do have a product in front of me which is a scissor, basically in household scissor guys. This is a new product from IKEA. I believe I have not reviewed this product earlier and I have never seen it on IKEA as well. So maybe it is a very recent and new item which I saw in IKEA. That's why I thought of showing that to you guys and hope you will enjoy this video. So guys, this is an IKEA scissor. There are multiple types of scissor available in IKEA, but this scissor is basically helpful for maybe cutting down your vegetables or maybe opening your bottles, everything. So this product called as Trojka, Trojka, and product type is household scissor, and this is made in China guys. To open it I need to use another scissor to cut this particular rope, right? So okay. Okay, let me tell you about the price as well. So guys, the MRP mentioned here is 111 rupees, which is around $2, but I got it for only $1. So you can get this in IKEA for only $1 guys. So this knife can be useful for your household purpose. Okay, if you see here, there is a sharp edge over here, right? If you see this clearly, this knife can be useful guys whenever, if you are a tailor, or if you are maybe it can be useful in your kitchen as well. Whenever you try to cut down small leafy vegetables, you can definitely use this knife. And you can use this as well to open a bottle as well. You can hold it like this, maybe at the top of the bottle. You can place the bottle head on here, and then you can drag it upward so that it will be opened. So guys, I believe with the price that we pay, $1, it worth basically, right? We don't need to think twice on this type of products whenever we are trying to spend around $1. So you will not get this type of knife outside for even more, not less than around $3 to $4 that you have to spend, right? So guys, I have a piece of banana in front of me. I'll try to cut it, but let's see how it works. Okay, maybe I have to cut this banana. So mostly you have to use maybe whenever you're trying to cut some leafy vegetables, you have to use this knife guys. Let's see, this is the leaf of maybe some of the vegetable, and how we can cut it using this. Yeah, works fine guys, so no problem at all. So this can be used as a multi-purpose scissor. One purpose of this to maybe cut leafy vegetables, one purpose to maybe for tailors who can cut the maybe clothes and all, and even for opening a bottle seal. If you have a maybe wine or rum bottle, you can definitely hold it like this and move it upward. So guys, my intention was just to show you this particular product. It's new to IKEA and also very cheap in price. If you want to grab this, grab it ahead so that you don't need to spend more. Again, IKEA might think that if this will go as in most selling products in IKEA, they will definitely increase the price. They can increase it to $2 as well. Right now you're getting in $1. So grab this whenever you visit IKEA. A good product to grab. Yeah guys, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Hope this is helpful and you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button guys if you feel that this is helpful, and do write anything that you have in your mind in the comment section below. I'll try to respond as much as possible, and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.